Hey guys, I'm Joe Campanale for ehow.com. Today we're going to make one of my favorite entertaining cocktails. It's called a champagne cocktail. It's really easy to make and it couldn't be more elegant. You start with a sugar cube, and for the classic version, you just want to drop your sugar cube right into the bottom of your champagne flute. It's okay if you use these brown cubes or white ones, work just as well. And then you want to add a little bit of Angostura bitters, and this creates a really nice balance between the sweetness of the sugar and the bitter of the cube. So just soak your sugar cube with the bitters and then add some champagne. Now, if you can afford to use real champagne for it, great, by all means use it. Just don't use the finest one in the house. But I like to use Prosecco, it works just as well. And the sugar, you can barely even taste the difference. There you go. So you just let it froth all the way to the top, and if you need to top it off, then you can just add a little bit of top off. But you see how beautiful that is? All of the sugars really concentrate the bubbles and makes such a beautiful drink. There it is. That's your classic champagne cocktail. Now we're going to make a version that I really like, inspired by Employees Only Bar here in the West Village in New York City. At Employees Only, they like to start with just a little bit of Grand Marnier or Chambord. So these are liqueurs. Grand Marnier is based on orange. And here we're going to do just a little bit of Chambord. Do about 1/4 ounce. And then they top it off with champagne, or in our case, Prosecco. And now we're going to take our sugar cube in a bar spoon, or it's okay if you don't have a bar spoon to use a teaspoon at home, and just soak that sugar cube and carefully drop that into your drink so it gets to the bottom. And then to balance out some of the flavors, you take just a lemon peel, and you want to squeeze your lemon peel over the top and release all of the essential oils. You can even twist it to get a little bit more out of there, and discard the peel. And there it is. You have your classic champagne cocktail, and then a great variation with Chambord and a little bit of oil from your lemon rind. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joe Campanale. Next time you're in New York City, stop by N4. Let's have a champagne cocktail together. Tune into ehow.com for more. Cheers.